15. Solve the equations 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 and 52x minus 15y is equal to 80. Let us suppose 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 and 52x minus 15y is equal to 80. Equation 2. To eliminate x, we multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3 for equal coefficients of x. 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 and 52x minus 15y is equal to 80. 156x minus 32y is equal to 396 and 156x minus 45y is equal to 240. By subtracting 13y is equal to 156 or y is equal to 156 by 13 is equal to 12. Now putting the value of y in equation 1, we find the value of x. 39x minus 8y is equal to 99 or 39x minus 8 into 12 is equal to 99 or 39x minus 96 is equal to 99 or 39x is equal to 99 plus 96 is equal to 195 or x is equal to 195 by 39 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 12 answer.